Hey everyone, today we're going to be taking a quick walking tour of the Vitality Fitness Center here on Royal Caribbean's Adventure of the Seas. This is located at the front of the ship on deck 11. Up the stairs there will take you to the main spa area on deck 12. And as we come in, you're going to see there's a studio here where they can offer different classes. It's all set up with spinning bikes right now. And then off in the back here, we've got the fitness center or the main gym area. Now the fitness center was complimentary to use, and during our sailing the typical hours were 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. We'll head on in here from the side. So we've got some stair climbers over here, some recumbent bikes, ellipticals. Grab a towel if you need it. Quite a few ellipticals here. And then lots of treadmills wrapping around the front with great views. And most of the equipment looked to be the Life Fitness brand. Exercise bikes, more recumbents back there. Rowing machines. Then different machines here, so upper body and legs. Bench press. Different benches. There's a water fountain here if you need it. And then some free weights, so quite a few free weights and benches back here. Some smaller weights and medicine balls. More upper body, pull downs. And that's about it for the gym here on the Adventure of the Seas. Not the largest of gyms, but it'll do the trick. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching and happy cruising.